Hi guys, it's Melissa with Sew Yours. I am back today with a brand new sewing pattern. Please meet the Duplicity Handbag. And check out that gorgeous vinyl that I got from yourvinylsource.com. This is one of my favorite vinyls that Renata has to offer. This bag is perfect to keep everything organized. It has two complete separate zipper compartments, so essentially it's two bags in one. This is the bag that I have made in the sewing tutorial, so you can watch me make this bag every step of the way. Inside the bag, you'll find each compartment has a slip pocket, which can be divided in 2 or 3 slip pockets, as well as a zipper pocket as well, too. All right, here is the other side. So this one, you can stack it full and keep everything organized. There is the recessed zipper panels. On the front of the bag, we have a slip pocket, perfect for your cell phone, your keys. I also like to usually drop in my receipts when I'm leaving the store and just shove them in one of these slip pockets here. I have hardware kits available for purchase. The kits are going to be a little bit different, so you'll have to look through the kits and decide which one that you want to purchase. Some kits are going to offer the turn locks. Some kits are going to offer the magnetic snap, the half moon magnetic snap. And some kits are going to be only magnetic snaps. So you would do a magnetic snap just like this on the front and the back of the bag. Another difference, some kits have the figure 8 strap connectors, while others have a rectangle ring. I have limited quantities of the kits available because my hardware stock is getting rather low. I should be getting in a reshipment of hardware. I'm fully stocking everything and bringing a lot of new products in that you guys haven't seen before. That should be arriving in the next 30 to 45 days, hopefully. So I'm excited for that. Okay, so let's talk about interfacing on these bags. Initially, when I designed it, this was my first one. I thought I wanted to have more of a slouchier bag, so I went ahead and used some Sew Fuse Plus, and you can see there's a little bit of slouch here. I've got a little bit of filler on the inside of the bag at the moment, but you know, it still has some structure to it. I used the bag for about a week, and the lack of structure here was kind of driving me crazy, and that's just because I'm more of a structured bag girl. I don't like a slouchy bag, so I went ahead and on these two, I decided to go ahead and use Decaville Light. So you can see there's a lot more structure there to it. I don't know that I would recommend foam interfacing on this bag. I think that would be a little bit too much and maybe a little more challenging to work with. So I would stick with Decaville Light or the equivalent, depending on where you're located and what you have available to you. Let's see. Oh, purse feet. There's purse feet on the bottom of the bag. That's optional. You don't have to do them. The bottom, you could do Decaville Heavy or you could do Peltex. I've got Peltex in all of mine, so you can see it's got a good stiffness to the bottom of the bag. Right there. So it's a really good firm bottom. Let's see. So when I first made it, the first one here, the straps were a little bit shorter. Let me show you. So that kind of tucks right underneath my arm, and it's going to vary for everybody depending on your height. The next one, I said, let's go ahead and make the strap a little bit longer. And so I think I really like this length, so it's a little bit lower. And then when I shared this bag with the testers, I mentioned that I'd like to have an option of adding a crossbody strap, but I really wasn't sure how I wanted to do it. I was thinking of just making some strap connectors, one on this side and one on the opposite side, but I wasn't sure. So Maria of Maria Elena Designs was the first one to test this pattern out, and she came up with the brilliant idea of adding some grommets right here on both sides, as well as a gate ring. And then you just go ahead and attach a crossbody strap that way. And then you have a crossbody bag. So because I added the crossbody strap, I had to reduce the length of the shoulder straps, which it's no longer a shoulder strap, because it would look really, really silly if I was wearing this bag with the handles hanging down this low. So I went ahead and shortened these so that they are now essentially grab and go handles. So that's what it looks like. And show you what it looks like holding it without. So you can just grab it from your car, have it like that. Maybe you're just going in and out of the store. You can just pop it on your arm. So that's a really cute way of doing it. But let me tell you about how Maria did it, and I'll post a picture here for you so you can take a look. Instead of doing the figure 8 strap connectors or rectangle rings, she added some D rings here to the strap connector, and then she added what are they called? Swivel clasp. So swivel clasp, so she can completely remove her shoulder strap. So she made the longer shoulder strap just like this, but whenever she's wearing it crossbody, she can simply take that strap, both of these straps off, and just have a simple crossbody bag. So that's a great option too, and I loved it so much that I wanted to show you guys that option, and so that's why I went ahead and made it on this bag in the YouTube video. So if you guys think that this is going to be a good pattern for you or for your customers, go ahead and purchase it at sewyours.com. I'm going to go ahead and do 20% off this pattern as well as all my other sewing patterns on my website for the very first week. This is launching on May 27th, so you'll get 1 week from then if you're watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I'll do my best to go ahead and respond to you. I guess that's about it. So until next time, goodbye.